So after the unboxing, I tried to turn on the iPhone, but it was just not turning on. So I thought that it might be because of the battery, and I was right. It was because of the battery. It was dead, and I had to charge it so you guys can see it. And here's a quick comparison between the iPhone 13 and the iPad Air 4 in the color pink. I thought that the colors might be same, so I decided to add this comparison, but the colors were not the same, but they were similar, as you guys can see. So this is the cover number 1, and it's so pretty, so cute, and this is how it will look on the phone. I'm not just putting it on because it's just difficult to take it off then. So this is the second phone case, and it's my favorite because it's just so pretty and so cute. The camera is not doing any justice with how beautiful it is, so I'm gonna add some clips of this phone case in the sunlight so you guys can see how pretty it looks in the sunlight. Also customized the iPhone, but I'm not going to show it to you guys in this video because you have to wait for the what's in my phone video to see that.